We are in the last 3 months of the wedding planning process, less than 3 months, and I have found my headpiece. I got it from Ellee Couture on Instagram, and I'm not gonna lie, I did open it already. So I'm just gonna open it and show you guys because I'm absolutely obsessed. My vibe was to go for a headband type headpiece because I'm wearing my hair down in the middle part with one side back and one side out. This headpiece I was looking for, it is the perfect mix of crystals and pearls. This is perfect. This particular headpiece is called the Natalia Swarovski Bridal Headpiece, and it's just exactly that. So let's open it and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like because I am obsessed. I'm actually obsessed. The pearls are pearling and the crystals are crystalling. This is beautiful. So I finally found my headpiece. That is one thing that I needed to check off my checklist. And now it's on to the other million things that I need to do. Thank you, Ellee Couture, because I am absolutely in love with this headpiece.